Are you the winner of the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan from last week's Review to You video? Let's find out. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Last week for Women's Wednesday, we reviewed the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan. And on a scale of 1 to 10, we gave it a 9. So, which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan is Patricia Ridenour. Congratulations, Patricia. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want the chance to be a winner like Patricia Ridenour, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and then turn on those post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review and giveaways. We do them 3 times every single week. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.